Hello everybody, I'm Eric. I'd like to show you our newest COP module for the 3300 and the smart models. So it's working for both. So here you can press your normal when it works as usual. It's plug and play. So it's now connected to our training module. Here's working the lift. Beside me is the inverter, but that's not so interesting. It's touchless, so you can also give a call without touch the COP. All the information will be also on the display, and it always also program. So when I will show you and put it in program mode, we go to 40, 1, and then it goes up. And it will then show here all the program issues. We go to 0, and then you see you can use the display, and so it will be functioning as a normal Schindler display. Thanks for watching, and see you later, guys.